Welcome to our live virtual school assembly. I'm Jada Lee.
And I'm Jack.
And we'll begin with an acknowledgement of the country. I acknowledge and pay respects to the Tasmanian Aboriginal community as the traditional and original owners and continuing custodians of this land on which we gather today, and acknowledge elders both past and present.
It has been an unusual start to Term 2, but staff and students at Alston Secondary College are to be commended for our can-do attitude and approach to online learning, both at school and at home.
It's now over to Campbell for a shopping segment.
Hi, welcome to the shopping segment. My name's Campbell Mabry and this is my assistant Liam Ott. Today we have a large variety of merch available from our pop-up shops and the office, like this beanie, which is $15, this bucket hat, which is $22, and this cap, which is $15, as well as our drink bottles, which are $8. For today only, we have an exclusive giveaway where the winners can get a deluxe Fantastic Alston Secondary College pen and a deluxe Fantastic drink bottle. For viewers at school, you can enter by emailing Miss Patterson at fiona.patterson@education.tas.gov.au and send the code pop-up shop. And for our viewers at home, you can enter by texting the code pop-up shop to the number 0418232117. Get on it now because the winners will be announced at the end of the assembly. Back to you, Jack.
Thanks, Campbell. We will now be treated to a live performance from Tate, who will be performing Fur Elise by Beethoven.
Thank you, Tate. That was awesome. Mr. Lutwich now has some information concerning the coronavirus and the government's latest advice with regard to students' learning.
Welcome to our live virtual assembly. Obviously, if we have some technical difficulties, we'll try and overcome them, but it's doing things differently, and I suppose it reflects our value of grit, where we're trying to do things a bit differently than we normally would. So what I'd first start by saying is we're getting some really good feedback from students, and I'm hearing some really good things from teachers about learning that's going on at home with students who are learning at home through their Canvas rooms or via email work that's been sent out by teachers. So I want to say thank you and congratulations to students for being able to adapt so quickly, and a big thank you to parents who've supported their children in providing them with the support to make that all happen. Just a couple of things I want to comment on would be a big thank you to Miss Begley and Miss Zanaris and Miss Johns for their work around promoting our Mother's Day comp, and a big congratulations to Natalia Grundy, who was the winner of the Mother's Day comp, and I think it's on our Facebook page, her video of how she was helping her mum, so that was really good to see. Today we're going to draw our hoodie comp for 7 to 9. As most people, or some people would be aware, last year the SRC put a submission into the school association. I've worked with the school association around having a hoodie for 7 to 9, as well as we now have our senior hoodie from 10 to 12. So big thank you to the SRC for the work they've done in that area, and one lucky student will win that hoodie. Congratulations to whoever wins that this afternoon. In relation to information that goes out, we will continue to use our text messaging, School Zine app, and obviously our Facebook page where we need to. In relation to the School Zine app, if you haven't downloaded that, if you go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for School Zine, you should be able to download the app and then search Tasmania for Ulverston Secondary College. And if you've got students in other schools, our feeder schools, East Ulverston, Ulverston Primary and West Ulverston, all use the School Zine app, so you'll be able to get a feed from both your child's primary school as well as our school. That's been a useful way for us to get information back. What I do want to say today is welcome back to our Year 11 and 12s on Monday. And we will be gladly welcoming them back so that they can continue with their learning to make sure that they can finish Year 12 and get their TCE at the end of the year. It's important that we support the government and the government's position, and we really thank parents that are following that. So we'll welcome back the 7 to 10s on Tuesday the 9th of June, and we would make sure that that's the message that the government put out, and I think that's to do with trying to limit the amount of movement in the community. And so they'll start with the primary sector and the 11-12 sector, and then the 7 to 10 sector will come back on Tuesday the 9th. So if we could all support the government road to recovery plan, and that's part of that stage, is that staged return back to school, that would be really appreciated. Feel free to contact our teachers if there's anything that we can do to assist your child in their learning at home. But they should be able to get into Canvas, and they should be able to email teachers backwards and forwards to continue that learning. The challenge, I'd say, for anyone who's learning at home is think about a 10-second elevator speech that you could give to someone when you come back around what learning at home was like for you. And there'll be some positives, there'll probably be some I wish this or I wish that, but if you could think about a 10-second speech, because we'll try to get a group from our media classes to put together a bit of a video of what we've learned out of learning from home, and we'll take out of what we think we could take forward once we go back to our normal, whatever normal school looks like. But some of the activities that we've undertaken over the last 6 to 8 weeks, we will continue to do some of those. We might drop off some of the things that we've done in the past. But congratulations to all the SRC who've organised this today, and I look forward to seeing who's going to win the prizes. Thank you.
Leah now has an SRC update and the announcement of the giveaway hoodie competition.
The SRC have had a quiet start to Term 2. We began the term by discussing ways that we can support causes and create activities for during the term that both students at home and at school could take part in. On Friday, 8th of May, we encouraged the school's community to wear blue clothing in support of the Dolly's Dream Foundation. Dolly was a 14-year-old girl who was a victim of cyberbullying. Despite her inner strength, she felt her only option left was to take her own life. The purpose of Do It for Dolly Day was to raise awareness and encourage people to act in a kind way and create a caring environment to help others stay strong. And as a result of the school uniform survey conducted last year following the introduction of the new logo, the SRC and School Association continued discussing the addition of a school hoodie for years 7 to 9. The hoodies have now arrived and are available at Maverick Clothing for $50. They join a vast range of new uniform items such as the school beanie, the cap and the bucket hats, which are available from the school. The SRC are eager to begin organising events when we can all be back at school together. Stay safe and remember to social distance. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the winners of the hoodie competition. Drum roll please. The first runner-up of the hoodie competition, who will be actually winning a tie and the pen is Callum from Year 8. And the winner of the hoodie competition is McKinley, also from Year 8. You're welcome to come and collect your prizes from Miss Patterson.
Now, for the viewers of the winners of the giveaway, we have Callie Enright and Cheyenne Turner. You can collect your deluxe pen and fantastic drink bottles from Miss Patterson. Thank you. Back to you, Jack.
This concludes our live virtual assembly. Thank you for tuning in today.
Remember to stay safe, maintain physical distancing, and stay at home.